Shalom everyone, Maslumkem. For today's video, I will share you the active form and passive form conjugation of infinitive to remind. In Hebrew, lihazkir. Guys, we will start to active form conjugation. Present tense, remind, for masculine singular, mazkir. Ani, mazkir. Ata, mazkir. Hu, mazkir. Present tense, remind, for feminine singular, mazkira. Ani, mazkira. At, mazkira. He, mazkira. Present tense, remind, for masculine plural or mixed gender, mazkirim. Anachnu, mazkirim. Atem, mazkirim. Hem, mazkirim. Present tense, remind, for feminine plural, mazkerot. Anachnu, mazkerot. Aten, mazkerot. Hen, mazkerot. Okay guys, for past tense, reminded. Hiskarti. Hiskarta. Hiskart. Hiskir. Hiskera. Hiskarnu. Hiskartem. Hiskarten. Hiskiru. Hiskiru. Okay, this is the future tense. For future tense, will remind. Ani, azkir. Ata, tazkir. At, tazkiri. Hu, yazkir. He, tazkir. Anachnu, nazkir. Atem, tazkiru. Aten, tazkerna. Hem, yazkiru. Hen, tazkerna. Okay guys, now I will give you the imperative. Imperative, remind, for masculine singular, hazker. Imperative, remind, for feminine singular, hazkiri. Imperative, remind, for masculine plural or mixed gender, hazkiru. Imperative, remind, for feminine plural, hazkerna. Okay guys, now we are going to learn the passive form conjugation. Present tense, reminded, for masculine singular, muskar. Ani, muskar. Ata, muskar. Hu, muskar. Present tense, reminded, for feminine singular, muskeret. Ani, muskeret. At, muskeret. He, muskeret. Present tense, reminded, for masculine plural or mixed gender, muskarim. Anachnu, muskarim. Atem, muskarim. Hem, muskarim. Present tense, reminded, for feminine plural, muskarot. Anachnu, muskarot. Aten, muskarot. Hen, muskarot. Okay, for past tense, was reminded or were reminded. Huskarti, huskarta, huskart, huskar, huskera, huskarno, huskartem, huskarten, huskeru, huskeru. Okay guys, for future tense, will be reminded. Ani uskar, ata tuskar, at tuskeri, hu yuskar, hi tuskar, anachnu nuskar, atem tuskeru, aten tuskarna, hem yuskeru, hen tuskarna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's video. Enjoy to learn Hebrew and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated for upcoming videos. Hamon-hamon to dali kolkhem, nitrai babluga bashili, litraot.